variables. What is demographic means? Demographic is simply the statistics of population in a given location or community. Then, how it affects the environmental variables? It affects directly the environmental variables because as population, there are different factors in it. The fertility, mortality, migration, determined population, dimension, size, age, sex, structure, and spatial distribution. Of course, as, the natural resources that's given in a specific community is must be suited in the case of population in a given community. But for example, sa may age structure, sa isang lugar na mas maraming babae, syempre, mas nadami yung population doon kasi mas marami yung fertility. And isa pa is yung pagka doon yung nasa community, marami doon kabataan o kadalagahan, mga kabinataan na yung usually nag-i-start yung magiging mag-jowa, mag-asawa, hanggang sa magre-reproduce na sila. Mas malaki yung population ng community na may mas maraming fertility. Yun nga yung fertility yung sinasabi ko yung nasa age na sila para sa pag-reproduce. Kesa dun sa community na ang mga almost ng mga tao dun is mga kabataan na mga bata pa. Kaya hindi sila gadami pa agad. So, demographic and environmental variables together is that how a population in a community will respond to the natural resources given in a given community.